Alright, Electric Motors Division, General Motors Corporation, Maintenance Instruction 5502, Revision A, Pneumatic Control Switch. Generally, all locomotives with the exception of the switch of the optional equipment equipped with an important protective device called the pneumatic control with a PC switch. Figure 1 issued for the connection with the air brake system with the provided with a combination protective function depending on application for the customer requirement. Main component of the PC pneumatic control switch are the diaphragm actuating linkage electrical contacts with a resistor diaphragm. Figure 2 with the acted upon with the air pressure pipes with connect with a 3/8-inch coupling combined with the switch diaphragm and the turn with the transmit with a force of the system with a spring loaded arm lever with the main pressure spring with the figure 2 with the main beat adjust with the beam with the knot with the top of the close open electrical switch with the contact with the desired air pressure for the differential spring with the cam lever assembly mounted inside with the switch with the left side with the design with the hole with the electrical contact pick with the positions fill the pressure of the diaphragm has to drop desired dropout value with the differential spring and maybe also be driven with the nuts provided with the top of the rear switch. Figure 9 show with the pneumatic control switch. Rear switch with respect for the operating pressure of the tablet with the maintenance status section of the instruction depending on the switch type of the application. The electrical contacts may either be normally open, normally closed. These contacts show the alloy material which ensure the long life of the minimum with the tension of the contact chain with the position open and closed through the acting of the spring. Show figure 2 show the pneumatic cross section, readjusting with the pressures, adjusting diaphragm and flange assembly, cover contact block, assembly stationary contact, the differential adjusting nuts, adjusting screw, the differential spring contact lever assembly, cam lever assembly, contact finger for the lever arm assembly, toggle lever assembly, loaded contact figure assembly with a toggle linkage switch assembly that acts for the palm of the response for the air pressure for the diaphragm operation. The pneumatic switch is employed with the locomotive air brakes for the engine they protect the action of the reducing diesel engine with the speed to idle with one or more of the following air brake applications made. Service safety application, locomotive overspeed foot pedal with train control with emergency brake application, the brake valve with the conductor's valve with the brake and 2. Customer performance type of the air brakes employed with the dictate with the air pressure setting with the control of the contact arrangement, the air brake application, the activate the switch with the reactive action, initiate the disc of the course means many possible arrangements which contact will be covered. The instruction following paragraph outline with the commonly used arrangements offered with here with the purpose of clarity. Description should not be taken in fact that every of the electromotive locomotive unit specifying operation details refer to the wiring diagram air piping schematic for the locomotive unit in question. Pneumatic control switch pick up the typical air piping schematic. Figure 3 that illustrates air piping connection with the pneumatic control switch any emergency air with the brake application introduce the pressure. For the dynamic interlocking switch, the vent and the check valve with the brake emergency valve with the brake valve 12 and 25 overspeed dead man control check valve with the pneumatic control switch D24 control valve any emergency. Show the control fuel pump CBABD 30 amp watt generator field engine run pneumatic control switch pneumatic control relay fuel pump A, B, C, D voltage, I believe, and then over here the throttle handle, A, B, V voltage, A, B, E, F, G, and engine relay, isolation switch, throttle hand isolation, pneumatic control circuit. On the PC switch diaphragm through the number 15 pipe with any safety application will do the same through the number 25 pump. Assuming electrical contacts normally closed. Figure 4 with the pressure for the pneumatic control switch diaphragm and except for the established setting with one of the will open with these contact with the turn open with the trigger with the pneumatic control relay. AB interlocks will now be open to brake with the fuel FP pump, the fuel pump circuit. As a result of the engine running relay, de-energize with the interlock with the brake with the throttle with the governor circuit with the de-energize with the AVBCV governor solenoid with the engine will now reduce the idle. No, the DV governor solenoid is not effective for the engine run relay tripping with the pneumatic control switch with the cover of the engine shut down with the instance of the throttle in 5 and 6 position. Pneumatic control set resetting in order to regain normal locomotive with operation throttle control and necessary with the pneumatic control switch be reset with the pneumatic control engine run relays are to be energized with the following switch steps necessary to reset with the pneumatic control switch. Eliminate the cause of the air brake application, then recover the air brake with the brake valve should be played with the lap position. Pneumatic control switch reset itself with the application pipe pressure. The raise is to a sufficient level. This is true when the original tripping was caused by a safety control application or an instance of the tripping of the pneumatic control should be the cause of the emergency air brake application and Additional step in the necessary for the placing of the brake valve with the lap position in there, leaving it there until the application pipe with the pressure builds up the pronounced air exhaust will be heard. At this time, the brake lever should be placed in the running position after the shove of the pneumatic control switch automatically reset. To regain the necessary with electrical function of the pneumatic control relay, engine relay with the energy of the accomplished placing the throttle on idle, which will establish the circuit with the pneumatic control wire through the PY wire with the connecting to the idle switch. The pneumatic control relay energizes establish its own circuit through the closing of the pneumatic control relay. CD interlock the engine running relay. B energy of the engine governor will again respond to throttle control. Maintenance. Pneumatic control switch has been carefully designed. Manufacturer provide long life, trouble-free operation inspection. Switch operation should be made, however, the intervals specified by the scheduled maintenance program. Such attention will ensure the continued satisfactory operation. Electrical contacts made with the silver alloy material do not require cleaning or dressing, even though they appear blackened, which contacts are worn base metal with a that may be replaced with either individually or completely stationary or removable assembly. Upon removal of the switch cover, all the contacts can be easily inspected by the replaced finish removal of the ceramic insulating block to expose them. This is done by removing the two machine screws that hold them back, blocks the switch housing, stationary contact with the block individually held in place with the machine screw with the nut, with which also for the terminal external circuit connections. Bridge side movable contacts are with the spring loaded, may be easily removed with their guides with the depressing of the spring of the turning of the contact side weighted diaphragm. During periodic inspection of the diaphragm should be inspected with the wear of the cracks indicate with the deterioration placement readily accomplished. Remove the 8 machine screw with which hold the lower half of the connection flange diaphragm in place. Pick up pressure adjustment. Should be necessary to adjust the pressure switch pole with a function that should be done with the means of the adjusting nut provided figure 2 with the turning clockwise will increase the spring pressure of the diaphragm, which then is required with a greater air pressure to actuate the switch. Turning adjusting to the opposite direction serve the lower pressure requirement of the switch operation. Dropout pressure adjustment. Balance pressure between the pickup and the dropout referred to as the differential dropout pressure. The differential can be adjusted necessary means by the nut provided figure 2. The turning with the downward will increase the spring pressure of the differential. To reduce the differential, the nut can be backed off. Extreme change of the differential may not be possible, and given the switch due to the springs due to such change that is required, new springs may have to be applied with the accommodated operation in the range desired. Lubrication during the periodic inspection, 1 drop of lubricating light engine oil should be applied to each of the moving parts in the actuating linkage. The pneumatic control switch covers should be kept in place at all times to protect the switch components from dust and dirt. Show the maintenance data and part number, contact arrangement, open pressure, and closing pressure. Okay, those Electric Motor Division General Motors Corporation Maintenance Instruction Pneumatic Control Switch 5502 Revision A.